Welcome to the ATL, my faith and lifestyle channel, all things life. Today we are cooking up some simple and easy 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. All the ingredients and its measurements will be listed in the description box below. But just to get started, there'll be 2 tablespoons of whisked egg, a half a cup of creamy peanut butter, and a half a cup of powdered or confectioner's sugar. We use this sugar instead of granulated sugar because the powdered sugar makes the cookie more chewy and not as gritty when you use granulated sugar. So if you're ready to come and bake with me, let's go. So we're going to get started. I already have in my bowl ready, and you already know that this peanut butter is going to be something else to really get this good and incorporated. So I'm going to put in my egg, my 2 tablespoons of whisked egg. Pour that on in there. And then I'm just going to speed up the video and get all of this good and incorporated.
Love yourself. I'm a merry little Christmas night. And have yourself a merry little Christmas.
After being in the oven a little more time than expected, we now have a nice, crisp, chewy, 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies for 2 made. So fast and so easy. You are going to love this recipe, and you know I gotta open up for the people. I gotta open it up for the ATL. I got to show you just how chewy and soft this cookie is. Look at that. So easy, so nice, so moist, and so chewy. You want to bite? Go ahead and bite. Go ahead and bite. You know you want to. Go ahead and bite. Listen, I'm gonna take me a bite. That is so good, so soft and so chewy. If you like this recipe and if you make it, make sure you let me know in the comments below. These are a hit and they are so super simple and super easy. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoy your holidays, and remember to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.